To begin, open your PractiCORE portal and sign in using your registered email address and password. Once you've entered your credentials, click Sign In to access your dashboard. Once logged in, click your profile icon in the top right corner of the dashboard and select Company Settings from the drop-down menu. This opens your account settings. Click the Company tab, then scroll down to find the Branding section. Here you'll see the option to upload your company logo. Click Choose Logo, select your logo image from your computer, and click Upload to confirm your selection. With your logo selected, click Save Company Details to apply your changes to the portal. Once saved, go ahead and sign out to see your new branding in action. Your company logo will now appear on the PractiCORE sign-in page and throughout the portal sidebar, giving your practice a polished, professional, and fully branded look.